When it comes to cooking tools that combine beauty, durability, and functionality, few can match this Nsirons Enameled Cast Iron Braiser. Whether you're preparing a simple stew or a complex holiday feast, this 3.8 Quart Enameled Cast Iron Braiser offers all the versatility and performance you need to take your cooking to the next level. With its stunning white enamel finish, self-circulating lid, and durable construction, the Nsirons Cast Iron Braiser is an essential addition to any kitchen. Let's dive deep into the features and benefits of this high-quality piece of cookware that is not only practical but also a showstopper at your dinner table. The Nsirons 3.8 Quart Enameled Cast Iron Braiser is designed to deliver exceptional cooking results while adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. This versatile pan is perfect for shallow frying, braising, stewing, and even slow cooking meats or vegetables. Whether you're preparing a comforting family meal or entertaining guests at a dinner party, the Nsirons Cast Iron Braiser provides everything you need for flawless cooking. One of the standout features of this braiser is its self-circulating condensation system. The heavy lid of this braiser features a unique raised pattern of water ripples on the inside, which helps to trap moisture and circulate water vapor. This ensures that your food stays moist, tender, and full of flavor. The lid not only contributes to better cooking results, but also adds to the aesthetic appeal of the braiser, making it a piece you'll proudly serve from. The Nsirons Enameled Cast Iron Braiser is made from thick, heavy-duty cast iron with a glossy enamel finish, ensuring excellent heat retention and distribution. The smooth, non-stick enamel interior guarantees that your food won't stick, making cleanup a breeze. You can use this pot on all stovetops, including gas, electric, ceramic, and induction, and it's oven-safe up to 500° Fahr, offering ultimate versatility for all your cooking needs. Key features and benefits. The Nsirons Cast Iron Braiser is perfect for serving 2 to 3 people, making it an excellent option for small families or intimate gatherings. It's spacious enough for braising meats, cooking stews, or frying up your favorite recipes, while also being compact enough to store without taking up too much space. One of the most innovative features of this braiser is the raised water ripple pattern on the lid. This unique design creates a self-circulating condensation system, which helps lock in moisture and enhance the flavor of your food. As your food cooks, steam condenses on the lid and drips back into the pot, ensuring your dishes stay juicy, tender, and bursting with flavor. Made from premium cast iron, the Nsirons Braiser provides exceptional heat conduction and retention. This means your food will cook evenly every time, with no hot spots or uneven heating. Whether you're simmering, stewing, or frying, the heavy-duty construction of this braiser ensures superior cooking performance. The Nsirons Cast Iron Braiser is perfect for versatile cooking methods. You can use it on any stovetop, including gas, electric, ceramic, and induction, or place it in the oven for slow cooking and roasting. The oven-safe capability up to 500° Fahr allows for seamless transitions between stovetop cooking and oven baking, making it ideal for dishes that require both methods. In addition to its cooking functionality, this braiser has an elegant, vibrant white enamel finish that makes it perfect for serving at the table. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, bringing a dish to a potluck, or enjoying a family meal, this stunning braiser is sure to catch everyone's attention. The Nsirons Braiser features a smooth, white enamel interior that not only prevents food from sticking, but is also easy to clean. Why choose the Nsirons Enameled Cast Iron Braiser? If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and stylish cookware piece, the Nsirons Enameled Cast Iron Braiser is a perfect choice. Its combination of top-tier construction, innovative condensation system, and attractive design makes it a must-have for both seasoned chefs and home cooks alike. This braiser is ideal for those who enjoy slow cooking, braising, stewing, or shallow frying. Its high-quality cast iron material ensures that heat is distributed evenly for perfect cooking results. The self-circulating condensation lid is an added bonus that ensures your meals stay tender and flavorful, while the beautiful enamel finish allows you to serve your food directly from the pot. Perfect for small to medium meals, this braiser offers superior cooking performance while also being easy to maintain. Whether you're cooking a family meal or impressing guests with a delicious dish, the Nsirons Cast Iron Braiser will quickly become your go-to kitchen companion. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.